Fizz beyond carbonated water. Now you can directly fizz juice, tea, cocktails, wine, and more. Introducing the InFizz Fusion. Fizz any of your favourite drinks directly in the InFizz Fusion bottle, made possible by the FusionCap. Try different flavour creations and even re-fizz drinks to enjoy again and again. Start by inserting a CO2 canister into place. Add your ingredients directly to the bottle. For maximum fizz, use chilled liquids. A funnel and sieve are supplied to help you to pour with ease and remove any pulp from juices. Fill using the min and max lines on the bottle as your guide and screw on the FusionCap. Lock the bottle into the InFizz Fusion with a quick turn. Press down for a few short bursts until you achieve your ideal level of fizz. Tilt and twist to remove the bottle, pulling down with the FusionCap on. Enjoy straight away or save for later. Gently release the red switch on the cap to depressurise. Depending on the ingredients, sometimes a few extra seconds are required for best results. It's this innovative process that allows you to create new and exciting drinks you never thought possible in your own home. Once depressurised, simply pour and enjoy. Easy to use and easy to clean. The InFizz Fusion comes with a specially designed double-sided brush for effortless cleaning of the bottle and the FusionCap, so you are always ready for your next bubbly creation. Try your own flavours or be inspired by our tried and tested recipes from our Breville test kitchen, available online. With our range of luxe colours, you'll be able to coordinate your InFizz Fusion to the rest of your kitchen. Now you can fizz juice, tea, cocktails, wine, and re-fizz soda. Start with full flavour in Fizz for more.